Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, let me show you how to make this exercise. And it's known as CI bench block. Well, you can see the dimension part here. From the Solidworks interface, let's start sketch from top plane and click on normal 2. Then, click to this toggle and select for the center rectangle. And I want to start from this point and select for smart dimension, and I want to set for this horizontal line value to 88 mm, then press enter. For this vertical line, set for 63 for its value, then enter, and then go to Vidder, extrude boss. Change for mid blind to mid plane and set value for 75 mm, then press enter. Done. Click to this top surface and click sketch. Right click, right click and normal 2. Then I want to set for line. Just start from this side. Click on smart dimension, and I want to change for this distance to 15 mm. Make the same way for this one. Well, and I want to offset entities, select for 20 mm, and then click to this line, then OK or done. Let's connect for each line. Apply, and then go to Vidder, then add shortcut. For information and its depth, I want to set for 15 mm. OK. Next step, click to this surface, and I want to make it a sketch, but go to normal 2 first and click sketch. Then make sure sketch is selected, and then I want to click for this corner rectangle and start from this edge and this one too. Let's give a smart dimension. Well, for this one, and I want to set for there are 20 mm, then enter, and set for this horizontal line to 38 mm. Then, and I want to set for 25 mm for this one, and for this vertical line, and it is 38 mm. Okay. Well, just click apply. Then I want to click a Vidder, then extrude cut. So just click done. For the information, click to the sketch, and I want to click extrude cut. So there are the option from this box: select contour, right click and delete. So I now want to select for this one and put the value for 13mm as its depth. Well, make the same way. Go to the sketch and click extrude cut, and then I want to just go to the set contour and right click, delete for selected, and then I want to click for the sketch and set for depth to 48mm and then apply. Well, you can change for the isometric view by combination keyboard button Ctrl 7. The modeling is done, and if you want to change for this appearance, click for this one. For the example, and I want to select for this yellow color, and then I want to change for the several surface color. Right click for this one, delete, and you can find for its select face, and I want to click for this one. Let's change color to, and I want to make it a white, and then apply. Ctrl 7 for isometric view. Well, the part is done. I hope you like for this exercise tutorial. If you want to find for the similar tutorial, you can find it from my playlist, and see you on my next video.